秋来阿公路爬孙，露露陪你背单字，34个你一定要知道的人物单字。你准备好和露露一起背单字了吗？游戏规则很简单，和露露一起把单字念2遍，看中文答案，然后听例句，重复练习，挑战自己。在重听的时候，看看你是不是很快就能说出单字的中文答案。Are you ready? 5、4、3、2、1，我们开始了。Adult, adult. 成人 You need adult supervision. Angel, angel. 天使 She is my guardian angel. Baby, baby. 婴儿I am attending a baby shower. Boy, boy. 男生 There are 10 boys in my class. Child, child. 孩子 He works in a child care center. Couple, couple. 夫妻 This couple has been married for over 50 years. Customer, customer. 顾客 He works in a customer service center. Fool, fool. 傻子愚弄人 Don't fool me. Genius, genius. 天才 Einstein is a genius. Gentleman, gentleman. 绅士 He has the manners of a gentleman. Giant, giant. 巨人 Bigfoot is a legendary giant. Girl, girl. 女孩 I joined the Girl Scouts. Guest, guest. 客人 Be my guest. Guy, guy. 家伙男人 He is a funny guy. Hero, hero. 英雄 Spider-Man is a superhero. Host, host. 主人主办 Tokyo hosted the Summer Olympics in 2021. Kid, kid. 孩子 Do you know a baby goat is called a kid? King, king. 国王 King Triton is the son of the sea god. Lady, lady. 淑女 Ladies first. Male, male. 男性雄性 Male peacocks have colorful plumage. Man, man. 男人 He is an honest man. Master, master. 硕士大师 He has a master's degree in arts. Neighbor, neighbor. 邻居 He is my next door neighbor. Partner搭档伙伴 He is my business partner. People 人们大家 We shouldn't judge people by how they look. Person 人 She is a dog person. Prince 王子 Shrek is Fiona's Prince Charming. Princess 公主 The princess and the prince lived happily ever after. Queen 女王 Elizabeth II is Queen of England. Stranger 陌生人 Don't talk to strangers. Teenager 青少年 Telling a teenager the facts of life is like giving a fish a bath. Visitor 游客客人 Let's get a local map from the visitor center. Woman 妇女 Behind every successful man is a strong, wise, and hard-working woman. Youth 青年 The foundation of every state is the education of its youth. 恭喜你完成练习了，要记得回来挑战自己哟。秋来阿公露爬孙，露露陪你背单字，我们下次再见，拜拜。